Hello, Davos here again. Haven't started the sim build project yet. Plan is in place. I have the materials. Um, just a real quick update. I've been doing a lot of class work. We are getting towards the end of the year. Trying to get everything turned in online. A little bit difficult. Not a lot of time to work on side projects. But I was at Walmart today. I was safe. Stayed, gave everyone plenty of room. Wide berth. And I saw a couple things that I needed to grab for the garage. So today's just going to be a real quick kind of, maybe a garage. We did a garage tour, but it was real quick. We'll do a little bit more over here where the workbench is. But my biggest problem right now is lighting. As you can see right now, it's kind of okay, but that's because I've got door open, which is what this weird fuzzy is. I've got the big garage door open. But over here, if I wanted to do something over here, work, do this, and I turn my overhead light on, it gets real weird, it gets real dark. And right now I'm just using my phone. I don't have a camera yet. So in order to try to help alleviate this, get a little bit better distribution of light, I've got two more of these LED shop lights. And I think I'm going to run them. This one's going horizontal across the... I have a little bit of a stand. It's also called a step ladder. But this one is currently going horizontally across the shop. I'm going to run these two vertically. And that's going to help me have a little bit better where the light's going to go. Help disperse the light a little bit. So first things first, we're going to take these things out of the box. Alright, so we're just going to take these things out of the box. Move my water out of the way. Always got to have water. Start pulling them out. Instructions. Don't need those. Pretty self-explanatory. Stop. It just fell. So we got some screws, got some hooks, some zip tie, and some drywall anchors. Sounds pretty good. Looks eerily similar to the one that I already have. Maybe the ends are just a little bit more well put together on this one. I believe that's a name brand. I think this is just a standard brand. Some zip ties. Always need little zip ties. Hook, S-hook, S-hook, and then chains with hooks on it as well. Trash can. Do the same thing with the next one. Hook, drywall anchor. Uh-oh, where'd they go? Drywall anchor, S-hook. I believe this is called knurling, where you just put everything, I would call it like mise en place, because I'm cookie like that. But everything in its place. a trash can. Put everything in the trash. Don't dirty your shop. That's a trash can over there, I promise. So as you can see above me, I've got my surge protector. It's connected to an outlet on the ceiling that the garage door is connected to. The lines for all of these lights are just going to go, they're going to split like that, and then the lights are going to go that way. And unfortunately, my stand that I'm using right now is also my stepladder. So I'll have to figure out a way to make it at least mildly photogenic. Did you know? I'm not the best with videos. Getting there. Trying. Definitely trying. So first things first, you gotta lay out, you gotta take a look at where you're at, lay out where you're gonna put stuff, and then try to square it all off. Because you want everything to kind of at least look symmetrical on both sides. So we're in the ceiling now. Well, not in the ceiling. We're standing on the ladder. But it's okay. I have my construction sandals on. We'll be fine. I wasn't sure how far away I wanted it from this original light. And just to try to keep everything the same, I have to measure it the same way off of both of these points. I have a handy dandy 8x12 square. So I'll go 8 inches out and 12 inches back. And that's where my next screw is going to go. Now whether that's in a spot, or not. Oh God, I lost it now. I think it's that right there. There we go. Sometimes you gotta pre-drill, sometimes you don't. I am no hardware, no expert. So, I may not be an expert at woodworking, but I am an expert at improvised tools. So the reason why this is working is because I've got longer lever arm, which means more torque. Very fun word, very good word to know. As long as I can still get that thing out. There we go. That looks good. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Actually, I'll run this thing back first. First, I'm going to measure the distance between these two guys for the original light, and then I'll put a hook, same distance back. See you in a second. Luckily, I have all my tools with me. Now, whether this guy is going to reach. I just don't want to have to get off the ladder. I had it. Oh God, this is like a game now. Come on, up. Perfect. Okay. We've got 48 inches or 4 feet, whatever comes first. I'm gonna grab the second hook. 48 inches that way. I just turned the hook so that way I can get my measuring tape inside of there. I said measuring tape inside of there. I said measuring tape inside of measuring tape inside of hook. Maybe 2 hands will be better than 1 here. Oh, got a good lock. Locked on. Oh goodness, we're going a lot further back than I expected. Okay, right there. Back by another couple inches. And where's my mark? I just made it. There it is. Okay. Yeah, Dave, you can go ahead and Davos, you can go ahead and just speed up the video here. Twist, 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 twist. Yeah. There we go. Hook going one way, hook going one way. That's straight enough. I'm okay. Worrying update. These don't have a pull cord. So I guess I'll have to go back to the old school flipping switches. Not being able to just pull a little ding-a-ling right there. Luckily, I've got an on-off switch on that guy, so I can just take a stick, poke it whenever I want to turn it on, turn it off. Alright, so I got the second one, I got first one, second one, and because I don't have a pull cord, I need a stick, so I got spirit level. It's gonna turn the outlet on. First thing I'm gonna do, shut the garage behind me, close the door. So this is how dark it gets in here. Obviously you can't see me, I look like a silhouette. The only light right now is coming through those windows. Ready? I got so much light in here. It's fantastic. So much light. I feel a lot better now just having the light. Plus when I bring my car in, I'll have plenty of light to bring in when I bring my car in, I'll have plenty of light under the hood. And it will help, just being able to see, it's just going to be incredible.